Hello, I'm Donnie Carson, the collision repair instructor at the Tennessee College of Applied Technology at Paris. The collision repair industry is currently in need of highly trained technicians. Technicians that can prep a vehicle for paint, skills like masking and proper sanding. Techs that are knowledgeable at removing and replacing parts, such as bumpers, fenders, doors, and hoods. Our training begins with ICAR approved text materials to help you get the start that you need. With the many paint products on the market today, such as urethane primers, single stage colors, base coat, clear coats, and 3-stage colors, understanding the chemicals and additives that go into paint, proper mixing ratios, and refinish application is critical to a high quality paint job. Learning to measure frame damage is extremely important because many shops look specifically for trained frame damage techs. Minor dents, rust repair, to major wrecks from start to finish. It's all a part of the experience of learning collision repair at the Tennessee College of Applied Technology at Paris.